Hello, my name is Miguel, and today I'm gonna make for you corn brown stewed. So you're gonna need a tablespoon of salt, a tablespoon and a half of dried basil, a tablespoon and a half of dried parsley, a spring of thyme, a teaspoon of pimento berries, a small tomato, a small onion, a stack of scallion, 6 to 8 garlic cloves, a dozen okra, a tablespoon of soya sauce, and a teaspoon of browning. Coconut oil, say half a quarter cup, a scotch bonnet pepper, and a tablespoon of white vinegar. And half of a chocha, slice and dice. Just peel the skin off. Just this. Not this. Strip the dead leaves off and cut the tips. Ginger, just peel it and rinse it. Thyme, pimento berries, teaspoon, half over there, half over there. Alright, let's peel this. Peel the chochu and cut this and slice off the whole part. And peel. I'm gonna put this in, add 2. We're gonna have 2 seasoning. I don't know if I said it. We're gonna add the seasoning twice. One while it pressures to make the stock, and this while it stews. I don't think I said that. Let's cut this and dice it one more time. Like that. And like Don't do like me, you know. You can put it on the surface and just go boom. Flat surface. Alright, we'll rinse these off. Rinse them off. Alright. So let's put time over here, time over here. Alright, take half and put over here. Mashed garlic. Fine. Half over here. Half over there. You know, so I keep my fingers out of the way. That's what you should do. I should be really like this. But sometimes it's hard to grip it. So that's why I don't like sharp knives. Alright, put half over here. Half over there. If you notice, the blade actually touched my. If it was sharp, it would cut me. Half over here, half over there. That's what Georgia. I'm just gonna dice these in little small cubes. Put it in, add to ginger. Put one over there. Tomato. Got to wash this. I'm using it for flavoring, so I just want it to dissolve in the food. Alright. Pepper. Half over here, half over there. So we won't forget the white vinegar. A tablespoon. We add 2 now. Tablespoon dried parsley. Half of a tablespoon over here. Half over here. Dried parsley. Tablespoon, half over here, half over here. sage, half a teaspoon of sage, half over here, half over there. Dried or fresh. You can use any of these herbs, dried or fresh. Salt, a tablespoon. Start with a tablespoon. Half over here, half over here. To spruce the taste up, I'm gonna add a little jerk sauce, like a teaspoon. Half over here, half over here. You can use steak one and steak sauce. We're gonna add this while it stews. The soya sauce and the browning while it stews. Alright, so now we're gonna cover this. Put this aside. And clean your area. So this half pound of conch meat, prepped. It said 100% clean, and I also saw they said 60% clean and all them other stuff. But I have a tutorial where show you cleaning from the shell it and everything. So this is it. Alright, so now let's cut these little fins off. I'm not gonna cook all, I'm gonna pressure cook all of it, but I'm gonna cook half of it brown stew, half curry tomorrow. But I'm just gonna do one pressure and put the other half in the refrigerator for tomorrow. Or freezer really. I keep it frozen. Alright, so that's what you're gonna get. So now rinse it off. Just throw some water over this and rinse it off. Remember this when it was pretty. If you see some of my newer videos, you see this. It's so ugly. Alright, so that's what we're gonna do. Just kind of cut it in the middle. Cut off all that. Make sure everything is cut off. Alright, so now let's beat it. Messy. Gotta be more patient. Kind of break it up with the hammer. Like this. See, that's it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this. Alright, so once you beat it like that, that's it. Put to eat a pressure cooker pot. Pressure cooker pot, put the stove gauge at 6 to get it going. Add 4 cups of water. Add cleaned and prepped conch meat. Add season 1. On properly, make sure that's on properly. So, on. Once it comes to a whistle, we're going to pressure cook it for 45 minutes. Add 6 cups of water. It's building. It's taking some time to build. So, it's been about 6 minutes now and it's still building. No, not 6, about 4. About 6 minutes. It's starting. It's fighting its way to start. Alright, so once you hear the whistle, put your stove gauge on medium, low, which is 4 for me, and set your timer for 45 minutes. 45 minutes. Just turn it off and allow it to cool. Run water over this side if you're in a hurry until here's releases. Alright, this is what you want to get it. Alright, so remove these now. So now put this aside. This is going to be our conch stock to stew down there. The brown stew. Now this is our conch stock to stew down the curried conch. So we're going to dice it fine, like this, fine. So this is the idea. You see, you gotta make sure it's tender first before you stew it down. Alright, we're gonna wash these now. Some white vinegar. trashy. Alright, we're gonna dice this, but near to the end. Put to heat a frying pan for stewing. Put the stove gauge on 6 for now. And once the pot's dried, just add oil. Alright, just add oil. Like half a quarter cup. Throw the garlic in. For a minute or so, just add the chunks. Just allow it to fry for about 30 seconds and then stir it. Just allow it to start fry, the onions to saute with the pot uncovered for like a minute. Add season 2. That was season 2. Browning. So this is 1 teaspoon of browning. Tablespoon of soy sauce. So you just cover it properly now and just put the stove gauge on 4 and allow it to simmer. 4 medium low. I hope I said a cup and a half of conch stock. Let's just dice these. About ½ inch. I use all of them now. I use about 8. Alright. This is after 10 minutes. Move the time stick. Stove's gauge is on 4 all this time, medium low. Alright, that was 15 minutes. Turn the stove on low. Almost off low. Know that to use soya sauce is optional. You could just use it just to brown it. And you don't have to dice the conch so fine. You can make small chunks or small patties or fillet. But with this, you just eat it with the rice like a stew. Alright. Once the okra is tender enough, then you can start thicken the gravy. So add ketchup, quarter cup. Put the stove gauge on 4, medium low. This is 20 minutes now. 15 minutes stewing on 4 and 5 minutes on low. Now we're going to thicken the gravy. Let's cover it and allow it to simmer on a higher, like medium low to medium. So that's how you want it. So that's 25 minutes. Once it starts to stick to the bottom, right? That's when it's ready. I look for the conch meat then. Alright, that's it, finished. 25 minutes. Cover it and let it soak until you're ready to serve. Alright, that's it. Conch brown stewed. Alright. gravy. Can't find the spoon right now. Alright, we're gonna taste it now. Bon appetit. This is delicious. The conch meat is an understatement, you know. A lot of people should buy it, eat this more, but because they're not used to it. People, yeah, you all getting some good recipes. Visit JAMAICANDINNERS.com. Soya sauce tastes nice with it. With everything else except for the pimento berries. Yo, just awesome. So I was telling you, just eat it like a stew. Not stop and cut anything. Go see the curry one with broad beans or butter beans. See ya. Bye. Once you put all the pimento berries aside, just mix this up. Y'all should support me, you know. You should buy my books. Leave me if you're not going to use it because all the information is on the website. Sorry, talking, so I want to be clear. Even if you're not going to use it because the information is on the video and on the website, buy the book just to support me. Add it to your collection. That's a way you can donate if you want to donate to me. I benefit if whenever a book is sold, I benefit. And the company that distribute it and mail it to you guys gets some profit, so it's fine with me. And for who already bought the books because they have been selling, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. The plate should be clean like this. Just this alone you don't eat. This is awesome. This is a nice Rastafarian meal too, But to be honest, I'm not sure if they eat. Because a, a conch is a scavenge, They scavenge filter out to the sea floor and, you know, reefs and stuff like that. Anyway, see you. Bye. This is going in the refrigerator. People, this gravy is bad. Like, I want to use the profanity. That's how strong I feel about it. This gravy is bad as crazy.